Hey guys, welcome to another cooking episode with TapThatBeef. So this cooking episode is going to be very special because I got a big old piece of tomahawk steak. Look, it's the size of my head, you see? And so I got this for a really good deal, guys. $26. And look how thick it is. It's about 1.5, I think it's 2-inch thick, guys. 2-inch thick at HEB, $26. You cannot beat this, okay? You go to a steakhouse, you can pay easily over $100 for this big old tomahawk steak, okay? So I'm really excited about preparing this and cooking this for you guys tomorrow. So you guys don't have to go to a steakhouse, okay? I'm gonna show you how to cook this nice looking tomahawk steak. Now we're gonna keep it pretty simple with the seasoning, just salt and pepper. And tomorrow, that's when I start cooking. All right, so let's start trimming the fat, guys. Let's get rid of some of this fat, it's just too much fat. You see that? Real good. Look, you don't need all this fat, right? It's just fat. Let's get some. Yeah, we don't need all that. Some of that out. Be very generous with the salt and pepper. Remember, this is a really big piece of steak. It's the pink Himalayan salt. All right. So I'm gonna leave it overnight, and tomorrow I'm going to bring it out and I'm going to cook it. Hey guys, so let's go ahead and take out the tomahawk steak and we'll leave it outside room temperature for about 20 minutes. All right, let's take out the tomahawk steak. We want this to be room temperature for about 20 minutes at least, guys. Look at that. So it looks really nice. I cannot wait to cook this. All right guys, so I transferred the tomahawk onto this big rack right here. And so the reason why you want to do this is because you want the meat to cook evenly. All right guys, so while we're waiting on the tomahawk steak to warm up a little bit, let's go ahead and prepare the lobster. I'm gonna cut right there. Right there in the middle. All right. So once you do that, you want to spread it, but be careful, don't cut yourself. You want to pull out that meat. Remove the meat just like that. All right. Just like that. Look at that. Pull it. Just like that. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. So just, for me, it's just salt and pepper. You can put cayenne pepper if you like, but I just like salt and pepper. Alright guys, so the secret to cooking a good, consistent steak is to really buy one of these thermometer here. So this is the internal temperature thermometer. You insert this in the middle of the steak. Alright, you insert it, and then once it hit 120, it's gonna beep. And that's gonna let me know that the steak is ready to come out. So at 120, once it hit 120 internal temperature, I'll have my medium rare, okay? All right guys, so what you wanna do is, you wanna insert this, all right into center of the tomahawk, all right? You find the center and you insert it, just like that. Yep, go all the way, just like that. All right guys, all right. So I'm going to preheat my oven to 375, okay? So once I preheated 375, that's when I put in the tomahawk steak. All right guys, so it looked like it hit 375, so I'm ready to put in the tomahawk steak. Just like that, guys. Just like that. And the wire can hang out like that. That's okay. That's normal. All right, guys, let's close the oven. Alright, so we're going to let that bad boy cook. It's gonna slow cook. Alright guys, so we are very close to our 120 degree Fahrenheit. We're at 107, okay? At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my lobster and asparagus, okay? This baby cooking. Let's go and put some asparagus in there. Just like that. Alright guys. There you go. Alright guys, so we just hit 120 internal temperature, medium rare, just how I like it. So now I'm going to broil it for a few minutes because I want the outside to be crusty. Give it that nice crust. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Wow, look at that. So my lobster is done. Oh yeah. Wow, look at that guys. Look how nice that look. I already know this is going to be medium rare. Doesn't that look just wonderful? Easily $200 plate at a steakhouse. Easily, guys. Easily. Okay. So the tomahawk steak cost me $26.70. The 2 lobster tail cost me $10. Asparagus cost me about $5. And the garlic cost me a few cents. Look at that. This is medium rare, I guarantee you. Alright guys, so the tomahawk is cooked. It's at 120 degree internal temperature, just how I like it. That should give us medium rare. I got 2 lobster tail, side of asparagus, so I can't wait to cut into it and show you guys how it look like. So I'm really excited. Alright guys, let's go and cut into the steak, okay? That. A little salt. Bam! This, my friend, is how you cook a tomahawk steak. Medium rare. I told you guys, 120 degree internal temperature. Told ya. So let's give it a taste test, guys. Look. Look, guys, medium rare. Oh my God. Wow. So good, yeah. Amazing. Look at that. If you want to impress the ladies, learn how to cook this. If you can cook this, every woman in this world will marry you. I guarantee you. Let's go for another bite. My God, so juicy. This is way better than the steakhouse. Look at that. So good, guys. Let's try the lobster. Wow. This lobster is so yummy. So yummy, guys. Wow. The lobster is so good. Man, I am a happy, happy camper. The lobster is off the chain. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish eating. Thank you so much for watching my video. Your time is appreciated. You guys have a great day. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for supporting me. And I look forward to making another video for you guys, okay? So thanks a lot. You guys have a question as far as how to make this, reach out to me. Until then, I'll see you next time, okay? Stay safe. I wish you the best. I wish you good health, success, and enjoy the rest of your night.